My name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can easily download Among Us on Samsung or like on your smartphone or iPhone. So what you want to do is just simply go to Play Store or go to iPhone Apple Store, and in search for apps you just want to write Among Us. Click on it, and then now you just want to click install. And here just wait until it's going to be installed. Wait for it. 70 megabytes is quite a lot. And now it's going to be installed. And open. And right now it's going to be like this. So yeah. Thank you very much everybody. And have a great day and goodbye.